my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a book tag for you all. I hope I'm not too late doing this tag, but I really wanted to do the booktube newbie tag. So here goes your book tag. The first question in this tag is, why did you start this channel? I started this channel because I wanted to share my love for books with all of you guys. Those who are watching me, thank you for watching me. And I have always been an introvert all my life, and I have never expressed myself in anything. So through booktube, through YouTube, I wanted to express my love and my feelings for books, and I wanted to share them with you all and also inspire you guys to read, because reading is a very important part of life, and I feel that everyone should start reading in some way or the other. The next question is, what are some of the fun and unique things that you can bring to booktube? So I think the most fun and unique thing that I can bring to YouTube is a big community of book lovers. So I think that it will be a pleasure for me if you guys want to be in this family where I will be sharing my love for books, and where I will be showing you guys of the book related videos and all, and you guys will also be sharing some of the love for books with me, and I will be really happy if you guys do join my family and do join this family of. The third question is, what are you most excited about for this channel? So the thing I'm most excited about for in this channel is books. Like, that is the most exciting thing for me. I have not been in touch with a book for at least 4 years. I haven't been reading at all. So from this day I've started reading, and I wanted everyone to start reading, those who haven't done so, and those who have been reading for quite a few while. I wanted them to inspire me to read different books, and also obviously in this channel we will be sharing some of our favorite books and some of the books that we love, and we will form a big family, and we'll have a cup of coffee that I'll be awkwardly having in front of a camera. So yeah, but that's about it. The fourth question is, why do you love reading? I love reading because I want to indulge myself into all the fantastic worlds that these books create. I love reading fantasy, and from my childhood I have been in love with fantasy. My mother used to tell me different stories, and I was in love with the fantasy, with the fairy tales, and also I started reading because I found that world that my mother used to tell me about in books. So in book form I can really imagine the world. I don't know how it happens, but I can imagine the world. And is it awkward to say that I imagine myself to be the main character of the book? Yes, that kind of thing happens with me. So I really find myself excited, and so that's why I started reading. The fifth question is, what book or series got you into reading? So the first books that I ever read was, I think, the Harry Potter series, and I have been in love with the Harry Potter series from my childhood till now. I have been in love with Harry Potter, and also the Twilight Saga, not the other books, but the first book. I really liked it and I really enjoyed it, and I watched the movie, and I loved Edward and Bella, and I loved their romance, and I loved Jacob and whatnot. And obviously Harry Potter has been with me for the past 15 years. Yep, so I hope you can understand how much I am in love with Harry Potter. The sixth question is, what questions would you ask your favorite booktubers? So my favorite booktuber is Regan from Payu's Project and Sasha from Book Utopia. I love these two people. They have the most amazing personality I've ever seen, and if I meet these two people, I'm surely gonna ask them, how can you read so much of books, and how do you have so much of books in your collection? Like, can you give me some of the books? Like, I'm pretty excited about them, but yep, I'm gonna ask them, how do you read so many books? So many books. Like, the seventh question is, what challenges starting a booktube channel will be the hardest to overcome? I have a few challenges that I have to overcome. The first challenge is that I am an engineering student, so I have lots of paperwork to do, and I have my training, I have my campusing, and I have lots to do this year, so I will be pretty much busy, and I think I will be able to overcome that by pre-recording my videos. So I am doing so that right now, so let's see how it goes, and I hope I will be able to overcome. Second hard thing that I have to overcome is my introvert nature. So I have been an introvert throughout all my life. I can't express my feelings, and I don't even talk to people. Like, I don't know how that happens, but there is something inside me that stops me from talking to people. I don't know what. So let's see how I can express. I'm trying my best till now, and I don't know how much improvement I have done. I think I have been able to do a little bit of improvement, so let's see how it goes. And yep, those are the two main challenges that I have to overcome to continue my booktube channel. The eighth question is, when did you start reading? So I think I started reading at the age of 13 or 14, and I started with the Harry Potter series, and it has been with me for this year, this journey throughout my life. I've been through ups and downs, but I still loved Harry Potter all throughout my life. Till now I will be 22 years old this September, so yep, I've started reading from the age of 13 or 14, I guess. The ninth question is, where do you read? So I mostly read in my bedroom, being cozy in my bed, and I lie down and flip through pages of pages and pages, and I love to read, obviously, so I read in my bedroom. But if I don't find it comfortable in my bedroom somehow, then I go to my balcony and I read over there, sit in the chair, and if there is sun outside, good. If it's raining outside, better. So I love reading in these two places. And the final question in the book tag is, what kind of books do you like to read? So from all the book hauls that I have done, you guys probably know that I love to read fantasy. I love to delve myself into all these fantastic worlds, into these magical worlds. I love fairy tales. So yeah, fantasy will be my favorite genre of books. I like historical fictions, but like I'm very picky about it. So but fantasy, I love any kind of fantasy. Any kind of fantasy will do for me. I love to know about new worlds and new kingdoms and all the magic that I can't experience in my real life. Share with you all, and I used to go for vacations when I was small. I used to buy certain things that I used to see in the cartoons, and I used to think myself as the princess. If you have seen the Wings Club and all, I used to think myself as Stella and Bloom, and I kind of thought that I could do magic as well. So yep, I'm that kind of a person who thinks herself to be the main character in a fantasy book. So yep, there you have it. So with that, I finished my book tag. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and please support me since I am a new booktuber. So let's see what happens, and I think we will have a very good and happy and prosperous family where we can share a love for books. And so yep, that will be all guys for today. See you in my